The United Kingdom is officially the best place in the world to die. Not exactly a great slogan for boosting tourism, but it's still pretty impressive. Hi, I'm Emily for Buzz60. The Economist Intelligence Unit did a study of end-of-life care in 80 countries, finding that the UK is the best across the globe. The UK ranking was based on the nation's comprehensive national policies, a strong hospice movement, and deep community engagement on the issue, among other criteria. If by deep community engagement you mean running a Holby City fan site, I'm very engaged. Australia, New Zealand, Ireland and Belgium round out the top 5 places to die, while the United States came in 9th place. Not winning a gold medal this time, are you, America? Sorry. France and Canada fell in just behind the US, while China was considerably lower on the list. According to the EIU, that's because they have the most severe demand and supply gap between need and availability of services. Because when it comes to being laid to rest, the UK is better than all the rest. That slogan's definitely still a work in progress. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.